The AWS shared responsibility model details the division of responsibilities between AWS and customers. This differentiation is commonly referred to as security in the cloud, which is the customer's responsibility, versus security of the cloud, which is AWS's responsibility. Security and compliance is a shared responsibility between AWS and the customer. This shared model can help relieve the customer's operational burden as AWS operates, manages, and controls the host operating system and virtualization layer down to the physical security of the facilities in which the service operates. AWS is responsible for protecting the infrastructure that runs all of the services offered in the AWS cloud. This infrastructure is composed of the hardware, software, networking, and facilities that run AWS cloud services. For customers, they assume responsibility and management of the guest operating system, including updates and security patches, other associated application software, and configuration of the AWS-provided security group firewall. Customers should carefully consider the services they choose, as their responsibilities vary. Depending on the services used, the integration of those services into their IT environment, and applicable laws and regulations. Customers are also responsible for managing their data, including encryption options, classifying their assets, and using IAM tools to apply the appropriate permissions. Let's take a look at how responsibilities change, depending on the AWS services selected. Amazon EC2 is categorized as Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, and as such, requires the customer to perform all of the necessary security configuration and management tasks. When working with EC2 instances, customers are responsible for resources in the cloud, which includes customer data, the guest operating system, including updates and security patches, application software, IAM policies, networking and firewall configuration, client-side encryption, server-side encryption, and network traffic encryption. AWS is responsible for security of the cloud, which involves protecting the infrastructure that runs EC2 instances. This is composed of virtualization software for compute, storage, database, and networking services. The underlying hardware within each data center that comprises the AWS global infrastructure, and the physical infrastructure that supports AWS regions, availability zones, and edge locations. With AWS Lambda, the responsibilities change, as customers must manage the security of their code, and identity and access management to the Lambda service, as well as within their functions. More specifically, customers are responsible for managing customer function code libraries, resource configurations, and identity and access management for Lambda functions. When using AWS Lambda, AWS is responsible for managing the underlying infrastructure that includes the compute and execution environments, the Lambda runtime language, networking infrastructure, the server software, underlying hardware, and the facilities that support the regions, availability zones, and EC2 hardware.